Okay, guys, I just want to show you a couple of things in Desmos. If you're doing some of the stats stuff that we're going to be doing, just the basic stuff, you can go in and you can type in your data right here. You got to use these little brackets. One of them is by the P, and the other one's right next to it. Give it a name. I gave it A just simply because I wanted to. A. All right, if you need to, you can copy the data if it's already in the comma separated list. You can copy it and paste it in there, so it works just fine. All right, then if you end up having to type it in or whatever, it's going to tell you how many elements are in that particular set. So you need to make sure that this is matching your original data. Don't want to leave any out. All right. So then what we can do is we can find all different kinds of stuff. So we're going to come right here. We're going to go to functions and we're going to go to stat. Now look at everything you can do. You can find the mean, median, cannot find the mode, but you should be able to look through the list and just be able to find which one repeats the most. It'll give the minimum and the maximum, the quartile, the standard deviation of the population, which we'll be talking about that kind of stuff. Okay, so for right now, what I want to do is let's find the mean. So we click on mean, but you have to tell it A, or it won't tell you. It won't know what you're finding the mean of. So there it is. All right, so let's find, oops, snap. Let's find the median. All right, notice if I just type it in, it's going to go into regular number, regular, not italicized, so that you know that it's a feature that it has. Okay, so median, there you go. All right, I'm going to see if I can get this little thing up right here. Hold on. Okay, so I got the bar back up here. So if I'm going to do something else, I come back over here, mean, median. You can find the minimum, the maximum, but like on the quizzes that we're doing, you need to find the standard deviation. So you just do that. That's easy breezy. There you go. Close it up. And that should work there. Standard deviation. Oh no, it didn't work. Well, what happened? Let's go back. Standard deviation. Standard deviation of A. There it is. Must have pressed something wrong. So there's your standard deviation. All right, then if I want to actually make one of the plots or something like that, what I can do is I can come to functions, I can go to distribution, and it's going to plot it for me. It's either you can make a histogram, a dot plot, or a box plot. Sometimes the box and whiskers, okay? So box plot of A, close parentheses, and there it is. And you can tell all kind of things from there. You can zoom in, zoom out. There you go. Not too bad. All righty.